I'm literally so obsessed with this letter I made the other day. I'm gonna show you guys everything I use and exactly how I made it. When it comes down to these letter boxes, I like to do 3 to 4 different designs on the berries. So for the first one, we're gonna be doing a cute little vaquita one. So you just want to go ahead and dip your berry in some white chocolate, and then we're gonna go ahead and just do a bunch of different brown spots. For my next berry, we're gonna go ahead and do a pink on pink loop design, and you guys already know that I love me some loop designs. So let me know if you guys want me to do a more detailed video on these designs, because I know a lot of you guys struggle with this one. One of my friends ended up ordering this box, and she basically told me she wanted pink and western vibes, so the rest of the berries are gonna be pink. This one is gonna be a marbled one, and come on, who the heck doesn't like marbled strawberries? This design is really beginner friendly, so we just get our chocolate and put a little bit of colourmill in it, swirl it around, and ta-da, you're done. So for this last design, I wanted it to be a hot pink, and you guys already know this is my very, very, very favorite design ever. And of course, I have to add it into damn near every single order I do. So when it comes down to my letter boxes, I love to add a bunch of molds in it just to add a little bit of extra spice, you know what I mean? So of course we're gonna be adding a bunch of sunflowers because I feel like they just look so cute against the freaking pink and the western vibes, you know? So we're gonna be adding that. Before I forget, you guys, everything I use is from It Was All a Dream Shop, the colourmill, the mold, all of that. So make sure you check her out on Instagram and come back for part 2. Don't you guys hate when you guys do these molds and then your freaking chocolate breaks? Ugh, that irritates me. But you know what? That doesn't even happen to me no more because I'm a professional strawberry artiste. I'm just kidding, you guys. It does be breaking on me sometimes, though. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and finish up all of the molds that we did, and I like to pop these up in the freezer after I'm done. And don't forget, I did get these all at It Was All a Dream Shop on Instagram, so check out my girl. Oh, and before I forget, you guys, for the yellow and green, I did use chocolate chameleon to achieve those colors, and I freaking love chocolate chameleon other than colourmill, so make sure you guys get those too. Tell me all these molds together just aren't giving western AF. Like, girl, they're so freaking cute. A lot of you guys have asked me where I get my letter boxes from, and these are actually from Joanns, and they're literally the perfect size. I believe they're 12 inches. I personally like to use brown crinkle paper because I get brown little cupcake liners that are linked in my Amazon, and I feel like it's just so cute and clean and just perfect. As you guys can tell, only 9 strawberries fit in here, but that's because it's a letter J. If you get a different letter, you'll probably be able to fit more. Once I have the strawberries exactly how I like them, I don't like the same pattern to be anywhere near each other, so that's why I kind of do a pattern. Once you have the strawberries exactly how you like them, you can go crazy with the freaking molds everywhere, you guys. I love this part. Didn't film myself making the cowboy hat and cowboy boots, but I do have the mold for those linked in my Amazon. And you guys already know I cannot forget the glitter. It just takes it there. It just takes it there, you guys. It's beautiful. Tell me this is just not the cutest freaking like birthday gift. I freaking love this. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys how I package this up because I know some of y'all be wondering how the heck I give these to people. This box is linked in my Amazon, and that's it, guys. Bye.